Hello everybody, this is your friend Robert from CallMeTechSavvy.com, the place where we have the best in tech news, tech skills, so that you can be tech savvy. Hey, I'm just following up with part 2 of a video that we posted just a little while ago called How to Create CSS Menus. A lot of times we like to add nice fancy menus to our website, but I want to show you how you can come up with the same concept, nice looking horizontal menus without even using JavaScript, without even using jQuery or any variation of the such. We're just going to use HTML and CSS. Now in part 1 we started to create a nice template. So I just wanted to expand on it, just to do a few things to kind of make it seem a little more practical. Okay, so this is basically what we got. This is what it looks like. Let's start off by possibly expanding it just a little bit. So we're gonna make it a little wider. Something cool that we can add to it in CSS3, there's the new CSS3 gradient, which allows you to do more or less a blend. Right now, this is the color of our background. It's kind of that light grayish silver color, and then when we hover, we get this color. Alright, so what I'm going to do is add a nice gradient. Now for Safari, we're going to make sure that we add the prefix with the WebKit. Opera, the O, Firefox, the MOZ, and standard linear. So again, we're just doing a linear gradient, and we're going to use those same colors, and we're going to come up with something cool. Now, keep in mind that certain versions of IE will not produce this. Okay, so we're going to use this basic what we already have in place, but when we run it in Mozilla, for example, we have a nice gradient color. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. You see kind of the blend, so that comes built in, that feature. You don't have to necessarily go and do any images. It's all built in there, so that's pretty awesome there. Let's see. So everything else is pretty much intact. I'm curious to kind of check something out. See what we got when we do something here. Da, da, da. Yeah, so that kind of disables the hover color when we do it that way, apparently. I wonder if we add this here. We kind of change it up a little bit. Wonder what kind of result we'll get here. Ah, okay. That's exactly what we're looking for. So sometimes you just got to play around with things and try to kind of get the result that you're looking for, because you don't always get the result that you're looking for right off. So let's add the background color. See, this will allow it to happen for those older versions of IE, or the IE that don't support, or that doesn't support the CSS3 gradient. We can have those buttons in place. Oh, my battery's going low. Otherwise, we can do things like Mozilla and really get a nice look there. So if you have any questions, please again send me posts. I want lots and lots of posts of any questions that you may have, so I can kind of make it as easy as possible. I want to make it as easy as possible. Okay, let's see a few other things that we can do just to kind of make it interesting here. let's try to add some shape to these bad boys here. Let's put some border changes. We can add some border radius. Let's see, around 10. What do we get here? So we have individual buttons when we do 10. So that's not a bad look. It's not a bad look there. So what if we did something like, let's see, what if we did something like, I love this so much. The auto suggestion here just right on point. What if we did something like border top? We do border top radius. What if we sent that to about 10? Let's see what result we may get here. Okay. It's not giving us what we're looking for. I just love just to experiment. Yeah, it's a little more softer. We can kind of probably work with that just a little bit more. That kind of gives us what we need here, as far as that that nice fancy look we're all looking for, right? So you can change up your colors. You can add different things like tool tips and you know, your captions. All that can be added right there on your A tag. So if you got any more questions, again, just send me an email at robertwoodbury, WOODBURY, at callmetechsavvy.com, or send me posts on the YouTube channel, Call Me Tech Savvy, or go over to our website and send us posts there. All right, you have a great day.